A section of Amanuke community in Okanath local government area has petitioned the Chief Judge of Anambra State, Justice Onoche Anyachebelu, to transfer the case of impersonation brought against Chief Dennis Ezebilo to another judge. In the petition, the group accused Justice Sisi Oka of being biased against the defendant, who is charged with impersonating the traditional ruler of the community. Correspondent Chibuzo Obidike filed on this report, taken from here.
The group submitted the petition to the office of the Chief Judge of the state when they led a protest to the State Judiciary Headquarters, Oka, and the office of the Attorney General of the state at Minister of Justice at Jerome Udoji State Secretariat, Oka. Speaking during the protest, some of the leaders of the group, Chief Angus Dike and Elder Benson Okechukwu, said the matter came before Justice Oka in 2022 while he was still at the Oka Division of the Anambra State High Court, while the case was at preliminary stage before he was transferred to the Ogbaro Division of the High Court during a routine reshuffling of judges, wondering why he remains interested to continue to hear the matter after he had been transferred. According to them, their protest letter is to raise a flag of caution and call the attentions of the state government and the judiciary to the anomaly as the case has been compromised, stating that they no longer trust that justice will be done if Justice Oka continues to try the matter, accusing the judge of stooping so low to hold brief for the complainants.
And then with the Amanuke, and governor, we will all so Kara, the Banyan, only I the about the.
Responding, the Attorney General of Anambra State, Professor Sylvia Ifemeje, clarified that the state government cannot interfere in the judicial process or in any matter already before the courts.
I will take it up with my members of the Executive Commissioner for Local Governments and the Chief of Staff to see how we can put hands together and see that peace is restored in our Amanuke community.